Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn the first lesson of Madani Qaida. Let's learn the Madani Qaida with the proper pronunciation. Repeat after me. Say ta'uz and tasbih. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first lesson is lesson number 1. Huruf mufridat. Individuals letter. There are 29 mufridat letters, which means Arabic alphabets. Pronounce the mufridat letters with the Arabic accent according to letters. There are 29 letters and there are 7 thicker voices letters, which is called musta'liya letters. There are 7 musta'liya letters, which is kha, sod, bod, ضا ضا غين أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما. Repeat after me please. ربي زدني علما. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Let's learn the first letter. This letter is called Alif. Alif. Ba. 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 Ta. We should scratch it for 1 second. Ta. 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 The letter Ta has 3 dots on top of it, and we should scratch it for 1 second. Jim. We should scratch Jim for 5 seconds. Jim has 1 dot in the tummy, and we are supposed to scratch it for 5 seconds. Next letter is Ha. Ha. One more time, please. Ha. Well done. Ho. Ho. As we have learned that we have got 7 thicker voices letter, so ho is one of the thicker voice letter. Say ho. Next letter we have dal. We should scratch it dal for 5 seconds because of this mud sign. Okay, whenever we have got this wavy sign, we need to scratch it for 5 seconds. Dal. One more time, please. Dal. Very good. Well done. One more time. Dal. Next, please. Dal. One more time. Very good. Dal. Dal is the non-vowel sound letter. So whenever we are pronouncing the zal, we need to be very careful that there shouldn't any vowel comes. Ro. One more time. Ro. Then za. Za. Sin. Sin. Next letter, please. Very nice. Sheen. Repeat after me, please. Sheen. Next, please. Sword. Sword is a thicker voice letter. Here we have learned that. Sword is a thicker voice letter. So, sword. Sword. Next is board. Board. Next letter we have bo. Bo. We're gonna scratch it for 1 second. Bo. Bo. Whenever we pronounce bo, we should touch the tip of the tongue. The front upper tip of the tongue touches the front teeth, and we should make sure that there shouldn't be any vowel comes because zo is a non-vowel sound letter. Repeat after me. Wo. Wo. Next is Ain. Ain. We should pronounce Ain from the middle of our throat. Ain. Next letter is Ghain. Ghain. Well done. Repeat again. Ghain. Next letter is Ba. Ba. Very nice. Now we have got another letter, which is Qaf. Qaf. Qaf should be pronounced from the soft part of your throat. And it is the thicker voice letters as well. So we're going to read it in a thicker tone. Qaf. Next. Kaf. Kaf. Next letter is Lam. Lam. Next letter is Mim. Mim. Next is Noon. Next letter is Wow. Next letter is Ha. Ha should be pronounced from the bottom of your throat. And it's like wow. Wow. You need to make your lips round. Wow. Very nice. One more time. Wow. Ha. Ha. Hamza. Hamza. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. You have done such a great job today. Inshallah, meet you in the next lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Quran E-Learning Institute. See you soon. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.